I'm in the business of mills, really taking from the top. Got a body like an hourglass, ticking like a clock.
And we are recording everything. Everything.
What's up, guys? This is Tasty Tracks. We're gonna find the tastiest tracks on the record, whether you like it or not. I do clap. And he kind of like, I do it. Yeah, I do.
Well, now how am I supposed to intro it?
Just do what I did. I just showed you.
Okay.
I'm just mad because you're better at it than I am.
If you practice,
I do.
Great.
I practice in my room all the time. I can do it for my dog just fine.
Oh.
What's up, Penny?
What's up, guys, and welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is the show where we listen to albums that you tell us to listen to, that we tell each other to listen to, and we tell you the tastiest track.
Yep.
That's what we're doing. And today, we're doing this for, is this for Leah?
Yeah.
For Leah.
Leah the angel.
Leah the angel, our friend fan, who buys us nice things from Switzerland. Ooh, that's good. That was close.
That rhymed.
That almost did.
It was pretty rhymey.
So we are doing Paramore. Which album?
After Laughter.
After Laughter. This is one of Kelly's favorites.
It's partly for Leah, partly just self-indulgent because I love this record.
Is this your favorite Paramore record?
You know, I was thinking about it on the way here. I don't know. It's kind of like each record has such a special place in my heart and like represents a different time, a different meltdown that I had in my life while I had to listen to a Paramore record to pick me back up. I always know that shit's gonna hit the fan when Paramore says we're coming out with a record soon. It's one of my favorite records out of all the records in existence from all artists.
Wow. So we got stuff to talk about.
Yeah.
So After Laughter released May 2017. Their 5th studio album. Do you want to start?
Yeah.
With your tastiest track?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So Jen says that he knows what my favorite song is. I think he's probably right. What was your guess?
Rose Colored
Yes.
Boy.
Oh. I mean, so this song is, if I were a song, I would be this song. You know?
So this song is your spirit song.
Yeah, she says, a half-empty girl, don't make me laugh, I'll choke. That's me. I'm a half-empty girl. But I like it because it's like the lyrics are so like Debbie Downer, but then it's like an uplifting pop song at the same time. And that's why I love Paramore, because I can like, you know, they get real with the lyrics. She gets real with her lyrics, but then the beats and the melodies and everything are so like put you in a great mood.
Well,
you know?
And I remember you saying that. I don't remember what video we were doing, but you were like, I need poppy stuff with the dark stuff. And I didn't quite understand what you were talking about until I started listening to this album. And then I was like, this is the most depressing, upbeat album I have ever heard.
Yeah.
It is so sad. And I was just running to it this morning like, yeah.
Yep. It's like, shit's on fire, everything's falling apart. But it's like,
we got some 80s synth sounds in the background.
You know, the best is over and the worst is yet to come. Lyrically, it just hit me like, sorry about that. Forget about this thing. There's a microphone here. I'm not talking to my boobs.
Not right now.
Not right now. I talk to them later.
Under what circumstances do you talk to your boobs?
You know, check in. I like to check in sometimes. Make sure they're still there. You got a lot of facial hair going on.
I do?
Yeah.
I shaved. I shave once every 2 months. My stylist said to gently massage my face because it'll stimulate. Yeah. Hair growth.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the day.
I'm telling you, you gotta take that collagen powder. That makes your hair, like I had a mustache after I took that. I was taking it for my skin, not really for my hair. And then I had to go get a lip wax for the first time in my life. It was very
you're
painful.
Not hairy at all.
No, not usually. And I'm blonde, so even if I am, you can't really see it. But yeah, even my mom, who's like, her eyesight isn't the greatest, was like, yeah, I've been meaning to tell you, you gotta do something about that. I was like, God damn it, Shirley. I was guessing it was yours was Told You So, or one of the sad ones.
No.
Basically like the last 4 songs. No?
Idol Worship.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I love
but you
that
are
one.
very close, because between 26, actually 26 is not depressing. 26 is hopeful.
Yeah.
But I really like in this album, like the contrast of the saddest songs are the most upbeat, and then the hopeful one was the most melancholy and like low, like low energy wise. But I did really like 26. But Idol Worship, yes, because
I guess that.
I like her phrasing, because she gets like really like aggressive in it, and
You can tell like she had some really aggressive fans get annoying.
yes, yeah, oh yeah, I don't want your money. But
If I was you, I would run from me. That's how I start out when I go on dating apps. It's my opening. They're like, oh, you have the opening line with this match.
I have definitely worshipped people that I should not be worshiping. Putting somebody else as my higher power. So I related to that of like, it is none of anybody's business to be your higher power.
But usually you meet your idols and it's like it's kind of ruins it takes the curtain down,
Well, you said it, it's what takes it down is expectations. That's the thing. And that's why I love that she's just like, don't expect anything from me, basically. Like, I got a hard life. I got I gotta manage. It's like, so it was still aggressive, but again, without being like a to fans.
Yeah, without being shitty.
If you want to dance while you are slowly falling apart, this is the album. This is why you don't date or marry a great songwriter and then cheat.
Right?
Don't do that.
Don't do it. Just like maybe don't cheat at all. I don't know.
Don't cheat in general.
Yeah.
But you're gonna get called
Don't do it.
the F out.
Yeah. You're gonna get an entire record dedicated to you.
That's it. We're done. Paramore, After Laughter. That's now you know. Now you know. Go listen to it. Tell us what you think, Leah. Tell us your favorite track.
Tell us what you thought of what we thought. Get real meta about this.
Yeah. Tell us what to listen to. We'll get on it.
We'll get on it. It's probably going to take like 3 or 4 months.
Yeah.
Before you actually see the episode about it.
Yeah.
But just let us know.
We're thinking about it.
Yeah.
We're thinking about doing it.
Or we're working on it, just like,
Or we're scheduling it and then rescheduling it.
Rescheduling, yeah. True. Shut up. We got our clippy mics.
Good clippy mics.
This is a professional operation we're running here.
Yeah, I got it for $20 on Amazon.
Yep.
What?
That's all you need to have your together.
$20 in Amazon Prime.